I'm doing a comparison of two kits that are used for the identification of stainless steel 316. So I use the alligator clip on the sample that's included in the kit. And I just put a test paper on top of the metal. Then the electrospot process. The red LED indicates that current is flowing. About 5 seconds of that step. All right, that's definitely pink. So that would be a positive indication of a 316 stainless steel. It's definitely not a 304. And if you wait even a few more seconds, it'll even get more pink. All right, that was pretty fast and pretty easy. Let's move on to the next kit. Here's the Spotter 316. And with this kit, just put the paper on the metal and then use this for 1 second. The indicator light means that current is flowing. All right. And that's getting more pink by the second. It's getting more and more pink. Thanks for watching the video. There's more videos on the Koslow website, and thank you for watching.